In today's digital age, the sale of digital products has gained immense popularity among entrepreneurs. These intangible goods, which include ebooks, music, digital art, software, online courses, and virtual goods in video games, offer a convenient and profitable way for businesses to provide value without the need for physical inventory. In this article, we will explore the advantages of selling digital products, the challenges associated with it, and the best-selling digital product categories. Advantages of selling digital products. Low overhead costs. Unlike physical goods, digital products do not require inventory management or shipping charges, resulting in significantly lower operational costs. High profit margins. Since there are no recurring costs for goods, businesses retain the majority of their sales as profit. 3. Potential for automation. Digital products can be delivered instantly, allowing for fully automated order fulfillment without the need for oversight. 4. Flexible product offerings. Businesses can provide free products to build their email list, offer monthly paid subscriptions for exclusive content, or sell licenses for the use of their digital products, providing versatility in revenue generation. 2. Overcoming challenges. Competition with free content. Since consumers often have access to free alternatives, careful consideration of niche selection, product differentiation, and impactful product descriptions is crucial. Content piracy. Protecting digital products from unauthorized use is vital. Employing measures such as watermarks and securely locking digital content helps reduce the risk of content theft. 3. Channels for selling digital products. Self-created online stores. Entrepreneurs can build their own online stores using e-commerce platforms like Shopify. Integration with digital product apps allows for seamless selling and management. Social media. Leveraging native shopping features or connecting Shopify stores to social media platforms enables businesses to promote their digital products directly to their audience. 3. Digital marketplaces. Joining established digital marketplaces within specific niches provides instant access to pre-established audiences. However, some marketplaces may charge commissions in exchange for exposure. Best-selling digital product categories. Educational digital products. Online courses, tutorials, and ebooks offer in-depth knowledge and skill development opportunities. Providing transformational content and leveraging expertise can differentiate products in a market with abundant free alternatives. Digital product licenses. Licensing digital assets such as stock photos, videos, music, software, and top digital products allows creatives to charge for the use of their work. Working backward from audience needs helps identify demand and create valuable assets. 3. Premium content libraries. Bundling digital products behind paid subscriptions creates recurring revenue streams. Creating a growing library of premium content and nurturing a passionate community can generate ongoing income from dedicated customers. 4. Digital templates and tools. Offering intangible tools that solve pain points and streamline tasks for specific audiences, such as marketing templates or design assets, provides practical solutions for professionals. 5. Music or art. Artists and musicians can monetize their talents through selling prints, ringtones, sheet music, or movies online. Catering to a hyper-specific target market helps in creating unique offerings. 6. Services. Combining digital products with services, such as offering personalized reports or Excel spreadsheets alongside consultations, adds value to the customer experience. Productizing certain service tasks can create additional revenue streams. Conclusion. With the growing demand for digital products, entrepreneurs have incredible opportunities to tap into this lucrative market. By understanding the advantages, overcoming challenges, and exploring the various categories of digital products, businesses can capitalize on the potential to generate revenue, build a loyal customer base, and establish themselves as leaders in their respective industries. Remember to carefully research your target audience, create high-quality content, protect your digital assets, and choose the right channels to effectively market and sell your digital products. Good luck on your journey towards success in the world of digital products.